Hello children, let us continue that exercise 12.2. Let us discuss the seventh question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segments of the circle. So let us draw a circle and this angle is 120 degree and the chord here the circle with the center and subtends an angle 120 degree and radius is given as 12 centimeter and find the area of the corresponding segments of the circle. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter. So we want to find the area of the corresponding segment. So here we want to find this shaded part we want to find. How we can find the area of this? For that we want to draw a perpendicular from center to the chord. We know that the perpendicular from the center to a chord bisects the chord. So here both sides 12 centimeter and we want to find the length of this. Since we will get a right triangle, OAB the triangle and this is the P, here the point P, then in triangle OAP, OA equal to 12 centimeter and how we can find the length of that OP and AP. Since angle A equal to 30 degree and angle AOP equal to 60 degree, we can use trigonometric values here to find the measure of AP and OP. Here this is the triangle OAB and draw perpendicular from the center to the base, that is the chord AB. Then we will get a right triangle OAP. Since angle A is 30 degree, that is OAP is 30 and angle AOP is 60 degree. Then we can use trigonometric values, that is sin 30. Sin 30 means sine of A since A is 30 degree. So sin 30, sine of an angle is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is OP by hypotenuse OA. So OP by OA is 12. That is given. The radius of the circle it is given. So that is 12. So 1 by 2. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 equals OP by 12. So OP equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So we get the altitude, that is perpendicular from the center to the chord, that is 6 centimeter. Then again we can find AP. Again we can use cos 30. Cos 30 we know that is root 3 by 2. That is cos A. Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AP. AP by OA. So AP by 12 equal root 3 by 2. So AP equal to 12 root 3 by 2. Cancelling 12 and 12 we get 6 root 3. That is only AP is 6 root 3. Then what is AB? Double of 6 root 3. That is 12 root 3. Then we can find the area of this triangle. Here what is the area of the triangle OAB? Half into base into altitude. Half AB into OP. We got half into AB as 12 root 3 into OP as 6. Cancelling 2 and 6 we get 3 here. Then 3 into 12 36 root 3. Then 36 into value of root 3 it is given as 1.73. So after multiplying we will get 62.28. Then what is the next step? We want to find the area of this sector OAB. This sector we want to find area of the sector. Then subtracting we will get the area of the segment. So area of the sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here pi we want to give the value of pi as 3.14 and r is 12. So 12 into 12. cancelling. 120 by 363, 3 and 12, 4, 4 into 12, 48, 48 into 3.14. Then what is the answer? We will get 48 into 3.14 as 150.72. Then we want to subtract the area of the triangle from this. So let us find. So area of segment is equal to area of triangle minus area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is the area of the sector? We got it is 150.72. Then what is the area of triangle? That is 62.28. After subtracting, we will get the area of the segment as 88.44. So this is the answer. So let us continue that next question. In the next question, a horse is there and tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of size 15 meter. Here 15 meters. Each side is 15 meter by a means of 5 meter long rope. So this is the rope. This area horse can graze. So we want to find the area of this region. Since we know that each angle in a square is 90 degree, so theta is equal to 90 degree. Then r is equal to 5 meter, not centimeter, 5 meter. Then we want to find the area. Area is equal to 1/4. Since theta is 90 degree, 90 by 360 is 1/4. 1/4 into 3.14 into 5 square, 25. So this is the area of that sector where the horse can graze. So we can substitute the value and we want to find the product. So here after doing the calculation we will get 19.625. That is the area of the region where the horse can graze. One more question is there. If rope length is already given, it is 5 meter, but if it is increased to 10 meter, then the increase in the grazing area. So here we want to find the area of that field. Here again 1/4 into pi 3.14 into, instead of 5 it is 10, 10 into 10, 100. So the answer is 314/4. Before we got the answer and we want to subtract the increase in the area. So here we want to subtract this value or find the difference between this and previous area. So we want to find the 314/4 in 31. 7 4s are 28. Then 34. 8 4s are 32. Then 25. So 78.5. So the increase in the area is 78.5 minus 19.625. That is the area when the length of the rope is increased from 5 to 10. So 58.875. So this is the increase in the area. The next one, that is ninth one. Embroidery design is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with a diameter 35 millimeter. So diameter is 35 millimeter. And wire is also used to make 5 diameters. So total diameters, total measure, how we can find the total length of that? So 2 pi r plus, how many diameters are made by the silver wire? 5 diameters. So 5 into 2r. This is the first question. Total length of the silver wire were required. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which divide the circles into 10 equal sectors. So here we want to find the total length of the wire. So first we can find the perimeter or circumference of the circle. So here 2 pi r plus 5 into 2r. Since we want to find the total length of the silver wire use, 2 into pi into r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2. Since 2r, diameter is given as 35. So r is 35 by 2. Then cancelling 7 and 35, we will get 5. And 2 and 2 we can cancel. After that, we will get 22 into 5 is 110 plus 5 into 35, that is 175. The total measure is 285. 285 millimeter. That is the total length of the silver wire required. Then area of each sector of the brooch. So here we know that area is equal to pi r square. Then 22 by 7, we can use 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Here we can cancel 7 and 35, it is 5, and 1 2 also we can cancel 11. So 11 into 5, 55 into 35. So 55 into 35 by 2. Then again we can find by 10. So we can write 55 into 35 by 2 into 10. Since divided by 10, each sector, how many sectors are there? 10 divisions are there. So 55 into 35 by 2 into 10. We can cancel 55 and 10 by 5, here 11 and here 2. So 11 into 35, 385 by 4, that is 96.25. That is the area of each sector of the brooch.